Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. So in today's tutorial you're going to study how to set up Handsome VPN on Econet Zimbabwe. So the first step, as usual, you're going to visit the Google Play Store and then you download the VPN application. We have Econet. No, I'm going to set up Handsome first. That one, Handsome first. It is a safe VPN. It works in all countries, but today I'm specializing on one country, Zimbabwe, and Econet. So download this VPN application, and then after downloading it, you're going to open this application on our mobile device. So this is a note to all VPN users in Zimbabwe that this tutorial is purposely for informational and educational purposes. Users are requested to comply with the local laws, read the internet service provider's terms and conditions before continuing to use this application. So this is what you're going to be doing next. You're going to come right here and then you're going to check the check update and then wait for a few moments so that this application can be updated to the latest version. So this, we're going to come right here. We have the auto select server, and then let us come right here and then request all Zimbabwe users to choose this one, the United States. This is what we're going to be doing next. You're coming right here and then we're going to go where we search from and we search Zimbabwe. Alright, let us all gather in the comment section and drop your feedback whether it's working or not. So you're coming right here and then wait for a few moments for the application. As you see, it has connected successfully. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to a friend. You can check the internet speed of the application. So if your application doesn't connect, you're free to choose another server from Zimbabwe, also Econet, and I request you to subscribe. I sign out.